Okay, I'm standing here in a place which is called Tebakak. This is the closest starting point to get to the islands behind me, which is called Pulau Pisang. Pulau Pisang is quite a well-known tourist attractions in this area. From here you can take a fishing boat, which will take you about 15 minutes to get across. Otherwise, you have to start your journey from the town, which will take you quite a longer time.
Hello, friend.
The fishing boat to get to the island can take as many as 10 passengers in one trip. Here is the type of the fishing boat we can take to go to the islands. You have to jump to get into this boat and get wet if the wave is coming. If you're lucky enough, you can get on board with 2 or 3 other passengers. Otherwise, the boat will be packed with a lot of people, like this one. When in sailing, you have to be careful with the splashing water. Otherwise, you will end up all get wet all over your body. Make sure all of your valuables is kept in a safe place. At last we get to the islands, but it wasn't a plain sailing. Turns out it took more than 30 minutes for us to get across. Pulau Pisang is a beautiful island from any point of view. Once got ashore, we went straight to the road to take a look. In the 70s and 80s, Pulau Pisang thrived with clove plantations. When clove trees flowered, many clove growers become rich. The remnants of the past glory is reflected from the beautiful houses of the island residents. Everywhere you go, you can see nice houses on the sides of the road. However, in the mid-80s, the clove trees died, and the inhabitants of the islands fell into misery. Many of them left the island for a better livelihood elsewhere, and their houses were left uninhabited. Now the clove plantations return. The islanders have started to grow the clove trees again, and the glory seems to be imminent. Everywhere you go today, you can see people sun-drying clove flowers on the road. This elementary school buildings was built in the Dutch colonial era, early in the 20th century, and it has been there for more than 100 years. Well, you can see here behind me, there are clove trees. Yes, the clove plantations is starting again in this island. And hopefully they can regain the glory of the past into these islands again. This is what clove plantation look like. Many tall trees. And this takes about 20 years to grow this up.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 guys. Kelom guys, kelom.
Luar biasa.
Perjuangan
Perjuangan sangat luar biasa.
menuju mercusuar. Wah.
And if you want to stay overnight, you can pick up a room in these homestays for the price of 250,000 rupiah up to 500,000 rupiah.
Kasih ya, Pak. Itu sendirian dulu. Nanti.
Kenapa nya?
Jadi, tahu bau api, suara ini.
You know.
Ya, aku pokoknya kenapa? Rantau lidah 21 tahun sampai 50.
Batu Guri is the surfing spot in this island. When the surf is on, many surfers coming here from the mainland to surf. Batu Guri is located on the tip of the island. You can see the spots clearly from the mainland.
Di tengah lagi buat samudra Atlantik. Lain
India.
Samudra enggak pribadi untuk koleksi pribadi. Bersama tim tema parol ya. Ya, bisa ini siaran langsung juga. Siaran langsung juga.
Sampai nanti, sampai dan ujung.
Mendarat
Hah? Nah ya,
berlabuh
menuju dia.
pelabuhan Tebakak. Seru ini Pak, seru ini. Ombaknya bagus. Kancing. Dihampas-hampasin. Udah
Mendarat bentar.
angin kencang. Ini seru ini ombaknya.
Seru.
Sudah menghantam.
Oh, dari sana.
Ya, ini sudah mentok. Mentok apanya guys? Udah mentok pernya guys.
Mentok per.
Ya.
Oh, ada pennya.
Ada.
Sabar dulu, sabar dulu.